This is Scotland. Braveheart. Right guys, hi everyone, this is me Racing Wolf and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, this video is gonna be completely improvised because I found this venue which is just right next to me. I found it like magically, accidentally. I've been driving past this area and I see the go-karts driving and I'm like, wow, why I couldn't see it on a map, why I couldn't see it on any website. And the thing is why, because it's a leisure center, so it has everything around, but also it has a go-kart. So you know what, when I stopped here and I checked the track, I was thinking like, you know what, I need to film it. I'm not gonna have cameras around the track, so you're gonna have only my onboard footage, but we definitely have to test venue like this because guys, it's a okay, you're gonna see everything on board footage. You know what? Let me take you out of the pit lane. It's a bit noisy up here. Let me take you out of the pit lane for few laps to learn the venue. Let's do that. What is the name of the venue?
Lochter Activity Centre.
Lochter.
Yes.
Lochter Activity Centre. Thank you. Yeah, guys. So this venue called Lochter Activity Centre. This is what we're doing today, and it's completely improvised. It's completely. I found it magically, guys, and I'm looking at the track right now, and I'm thinking like, wow. I've been happy to get on board because these guys, they accepted me. Thank you very much, guys. I'm just talking to my viewers from my YouTube channel. I'm just saying that you let me drive with you. So these guys, they let me to join their group. So I've been really lucky, and we're lucky to test this venue. Thank you, guys. Okay, only one thing, guys, which I'm doing bad today at this venue because I was in a rush. There is no gloves on my hands, so never do something like this. My car is far away from here, so I don't have a time to run up there, and this venue allows to be without gloves, but I recommend to everyone wear gloves all the time because it's safer, it's better.
You can put on the accelerator, alright?
Okay, guys, you have a 1 lap to leave it. The tire in the middle. Oh my God! Look how huge this truck is! Oh my face! What? Look at that! That drop is sick! That drop is sick! Where should I go? Where should I go? Here we go, roundabout. So we actually went roundabout. We need to keep in a full swing. You know what? For them 25. Guys, that is crazy! That is really crazy! Oh, look at that! Oh my days! Oh my days! That is brilliant! That is brilliant track! Guys, I haven't enjoyed so much since Ukraine! Scotland, you're giving me loads and loads of freedom. Seriously, you're giving me loads and loads of freedom. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's go. These guys are racing. What am I doing? I'm just having a fun. a good one. Let's go for it! That's a good one! Right guys, short break. Let's quickly speak about the cars. It's a Saudi GT series. I love these things at the back. I love these headrests at the back. It's really helpful. It's really amazing for the safety. I love the seat belts. I really love them. That helps you so much. Let me just look. That helps you so much. You see that? So recommend it, seriously. It's just so cool, so good, especially if you're having kids. And the engine, what engine? 200, I think, something like this. 200cc engine. Is that 200cc?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So it's a 200cc, guys. And it's an old series of the Saudis, so they're really good with the single engines. They're really good. They're very close to the. I mean, they are equal to the beast, I can say. They're really good because I can see not loads of that metal panels underneath the engine. I mean, it's really very good handling, even for so old cars. But the amazing thing is that headrest. Seriously, this is what you need, definitely. And seat pedal, you can move everything. Yeah, guys. So this is it about go-karts. Let's go back on the track. Unbelievable! That is so cool, so good. I'm wondering what is the happening right here. You see, it's much better without tire. And jump! Whoa! Someone's following! Someone crushed this car! Yes, someone's papa. Yeah, papa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Come on. Come on, what you do? You can do this. Come on. You go. You go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a good one. Tires are everywhere. I'm loving it. Yeah, I love this freedom. I love Scotland. Look at that! Look at that! Yeah, it's not the best place to be out of. We have a body on the truck. Of course I won't get it wrong, mate. No problems. It's all over the place. Okay. We just got a little bit of here, guys. Here we go. Here we go. It's raining down. Hallelujah. It's raining down. Hallelujah. It's raining down. Yeah. Here we go. I'm not getting bored with this truck. Wow. I'm loving it so much. Right, guys, session finished, and it was really cool. Again, thanks a lot to these guys that they let me to join their group. It was really amazing. And you've seen everything, guys. I'm not gonna talk a lot. I think we had enough on board footage. The truck, guys, no racing line, just come and try it. It's so amazing. I mean, seriously, I paid 50 quid for half an hour, and to be honest with you, it's There is in Scotland. There is a place that's cheaper, but I'll be honest with you, it's worth it. It's 100% worth it. You know, the amount of excitement you have here, it's really worth it. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Sorry for being a little bit naughty on the track. What is the name of the track again?
Silverstone. Well, we call it Lochterstone.
Lochterstone.
Lochterstone. But Silverstone is the UK track.
Ah, okay. So we can say I've been at the Silverstone. I drove at the Silverstone. Brilliant. Thank you very much, sir. I'm filming for my YouTube channel, Racing Wolf.
All right.
Yeah, so gonna be interesting video. Thanks a lot, guys. Look, so here, this is the truck, yeah, where customers driving, and if you are spectator and you've been a little bit bored to look after your kid, how he crashing into the tire, so you can come here and relax. Look at these guys. Oh my gosh. Don't step on this pier, because yeah, don't step on it, but look, you just take a seat on the grass and just enjoy the life with the noise of the engines at the back. That is a dream life, isn't it? Oh, that is fantastic. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to comment, leave a comment about this venue, what you think. Share this video with your friends, show them amazing place like Lochter, and subscribe, guys. And as usual, I'll see you in the next video. See ya. You know, I'm driving and I see the tire in the middle. I'm like, okay, we need to clean it.
It started coming slowly.
At the end, I start cleaning that end, where before they start cleaning, I start cleaning it, and they like check it back. I'm like, oh, I wanted to make it quicker. I wanted to move the tires away. But it's really crazy. I mean, you're not gonna find anywhere like this.